So, hello everyone. Welcoming you to Shorab Sir's classes. Beginning with the fifth part of our discussion of the PEA paper, and we proceed now with question number 9. Now, this is essentially a very interesting question because look at the utility function carefully. You have a minus sign which is attached right in front of it, and it is 10 minus x whole square plus 10 minus y whole square. This is the utility function that is given to you. The prices of both the goods, that means Px equals to Py, has been given to be 1, and the money income has been given to be 40. So what is your budget constraint? It is x plus y less than equals to 40. Correct? This is the budget constraint that we have. Now look over here. This term is actually always positive, and this term is always positive. So adding them up with a minus sign, utility is always negative. So without doing any calculation, you can see that when will the utility be maximized? So maximum u is equals to u equals to 0, right? When these two terms individually become 0, then the utility becomes 0, and that is the maximum that you can have, because any other combination will give you a negative utility. So when is u 0? When each of the terms will be 0, so x has to be 10, y has to be 10. Correct? Now just to ensure that this is the optimal, let us see whether it satisfies the budget constraint. Yes, x plus y, x star plus y star is indeed less than 40, less than equals to 40. That means this bundle is affordable. So what is the optimal? X star equals to 10, comma y star equals to 10. That is my option A. Okay, a very simple question at hand. Now comes question number 10, the next one. So over here also we have a Leontief type production function where f of k comma l is equals to minimum k by a comma l by b. And it is given that k equals to k bar. K is fixed. So this can be easily written as minimum of k bar by a comma l by b. Right? This is what it is. And then we need to see the marginal product of labor. So like we will have two cases. Case 1. If your first component, that is k bar by a, is lesser than L by B, then what is F? It is simply k by a. Therefore, MPL will be equals to 0. Correct? Case number 2. If k bar by a is actually greater than L by B, then what will be F? It will be L by B. That means what will be MPL? It will be 1 by B. Okay. So these two. Now let us match with the options over here. Now check over here, this condition of part 2 can be written in this way. B by A times K bar is greater than L, or L is less than B by A times K bar, right? So when this condition holds, MPL is equals to 1 by B and it is 0 otherwise. So that matches with option C. 1 by B when L is lesser than B by A times K bar, and it is 0 if L is greater than B by A times K bar, right? So that is my answer to option C. Okay, thank you so much. So this is the end of part 5. So for more live offline, online and offline classes, complete study materials and past year solutions and mock test series, You can contact the Saurav Sir's classes at the following number that you can see. It's 9836793076. Thank you very much.